Are you struggling with bad breath that's killing your confidence and costing you socially? Imagine always having the confidence of a closed mouth, never worrying about the embarrassing moments and saying goodbye to those expensive trips to the dentist. Well, it's not a dream. It's a reality that millions have already achieved. And today, we're sharing 3 probiotic-powered tips to banish bad breath for good. But before we dive in, make sure to watch our recent video on the shocking link between bad breath and your oral microbiome. You can find the link in the description below. This groundbreaking research has revolutionized the way we tackle bad breath forever. Bad breath happens when there's a buildup of harmful bacteria in your mouth. It's a common problem that affects many people, leading to social discomfort and self-consciousness. But did you know that you can fight back with a simple solution? By supercharging your oral microbiome, you can restore the balance of good and bad bacteria in your mouth and say goodbye to bad breath for good. Tip number 1. Eat kefir daily. Let's start with a game-changing drink that's been used for centuries, kefir. This tangy, fizzy drink is packed with probiotics, which are live bacteria that are good for your health. When you drink kefir, these friendly bacteria get to work right away. They travel to your mouth and help restore the natural balance of your oral microbiome. With more good bacteria in your mouth, you can say goodbye to stinky breath and hello to a smile that's as bright as your personality. But that's not all. Kefir can also help prevent gum issues. So not only will your breath be fresh, but your teeth and gums will be healthier too. By making kefir a part of your daily routine, you're taking a simple step to improve your oral health and save yourself from those costly dental visits. So why wait? Start drinking kefir today and experience the difference for yourself. Tip number 2. Snack on apples. We all know that eating healthy foods is important for our overall well-being. But did you know that certain foods can also help keep your breath fresh? Enter apples, a crunchy, juicy fruit that's not only delicious, but also packed with fiber and vitamins. But what makes apples so special when it comes to bad breath? Well, it's all about saliva. When you eat, your saliva production increases, which helps cleanse your mouth of bacteria and food particles that could otherwise cause bad breath. Apples are a great snack that can help stimulate saliva production, keeping your mouth fresh and clean. Plus, they're a convenient and healthy snack option that you can take with you wherever you go. So, if you're looking for a tasty and effective way to keep your breath fresh all day long, reach for an apple when you need a quick snack. Your breath and your taste buds will thank you. Tip number 3. Add sauerkraut to your meals. While we're on the topic of food, let's talk about a superfood that's been gaining popularity in recent years, sauerkraut. This tangy, crunchy, fermented dish is not only delicious, but also packed with probiotics that can help improve your gut health. But what does gut health have to do with bad breath? Well, it turns out that a healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall health, including your oral health. When your gut bacteria is balanced and thriving, it helps to prevent harmful bacteria from growing in your mouth, which can cause bad breath. Sauerkraut is a great way to add more probiotics to your diet and support your gut microbiome. Plus, it's a versatile ingredient that can be added to a variety of dishes to give them a tangy, flavorful twist. So, if you're looking for a simple and effective way to improve your breath and overall health, give sauerkraut a try. Your oral microbiome is the key to fresh breath. It's the balance of good and bad bacteria in your mouth that keeps your breath smelling fresh and your teeth and gums healthy. When the balance is off, it can lead to bad breath, cavities, and gum disease. That's where probiotics come in. They're the good bacteria that help keep your oral microbiome in balance and your breath smelling fresh. You can boost your intake of probiotics by consuming probiotic foods like kefir, apples, and sauerkraut. Each of these foods has unique benefits for your oral microbiome and overall health. By incorporating these foods into your daily diet, you can help improve your oral health and prevent bad breath. Additionally, you may want to consider taking oral probiotics as a supplement to further support your oral microbiome and help combat bad breath. Ready to take control of your oral health and say goodbye to bad breath for good? Watch the video linked in the description to discover the surprising connection between your gut and your oral health. Learn how to supercharge your microbiome for a confident, healthy smile. Don't let bad breath hold you back any longer. Take action today and start enjoying the benefits of a fresh, healthy smile. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for more helpful tips. Also, comment below which tip you're going to try first. Remember, you deserve to feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. So take charge of your oral health and start smiling brightly again. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.